Hi. So, someone actually copied Karina OMG. It is the first time I'm actually talking. Hello. I do not know what to say. Sorry, camera. Well, Dylan, it's purple. Purple. It's purple. Yeah, it's all purple. Her weave just got snatched. If you guys didn't see that, too bad. Oh wait, I forgot to put on my earrings. My earrings. So I have two stuff that I bought with candy. These two are the bat and the ears were already there. You guys have to click on the little pillow stuff. I have the earrings, so I'm gonna pick that, and then I don't know, maybe like white. Hey, does that look good? I didn't see them. Oh, actually, I see them. No, that's not good. I prefer white. White. You can see them with the white. Oops. Color. And then this one is more. That one is more white. Bam! Did I click done? Yeah, I did. You're supposed to see the white. Holy moly. You know what? I clicked that. Well, can't believe I'm recording and I just keep saying that, doing that. Well, I don't know what to do right now, but I'm just talking. That's what I'm doing right now. Let me know in the comments if you know how many pumpkins they are, because I won once. And how did I come here actually? Hello, don't ruin my recordness, okay? I'm probably gonna edit that out, or maybe not. We don't know. We definitely don't know. I don't like counting. I am lazy. Guys, let me know if you want a face reveal, because I don't know. I don't want to do a face reveal, but I'm doing it. I'm just letting you guys know, okay?